A panel of U.S. appeals court judges appeared skeptical of Donald Trump's claim that as a former president he should be immune from prosecution on charges that he conspired to overturn the 2020 election. The 77-year-old Trump attended the appeals court hearing held under tight security in a federal courthouse just blocks away from the U.S. Capitol, stormed by his supporters on January 6, 2021. Trump, the frontrunner for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination, is scheduled to go on trial in Washington on March 4 on charges of conspiring to overturn the 2020 election won by Democrat Joe Biden. Trump's attorney John Sauer told a three-judge panel of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit that a president can only be prosecuted for actions taken while in the White House if they have first been impeached and convicted by Congress. To authorize the prosecution of a president for his official acts would open a Pandora's box from which this nation may never recover, Sauer said. U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan, who is to preside over Trump's election interference trial, rejected his immunity claim last month, and the judges who heard his appeal also appeared to be unconvinced by the argument. I think it's paradoxical to say that his constitutional duty to take care that the laws be faithfully executed allows him to violate criminal laws, said Judge Karen Henderson, an appointee of former Republican President George H.W. Bush. Judge Florence Pan, a Biden appointee, asked whether a president who ordered the assassination of a political rival by the Navy SEAL Special Forces could be criminally prosecuted, even if they had not been impeached and convicted first by Congress. Trump was not actually required to attend the hearing. His presence, just days before the Republican presidential primary contests kicked off in Iowa, underlined his goal of making his fight against multiple criminal prosecutions part of his political campaign. Trump, in a post on his Truth Social platform ahead of the hearing, warned that a rejection of his immunity defense could lead to indictments of Biden. "If I don't get immunity, then crooked Joe Biden doesn't get immunity," Trump said, claiming his 81-year-old Democratic opponent would be ripe for indictment.